You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, chrome mirror caps, universal garage door opener, heated front driver and passenger seats, HD radio, dual zone climate control, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, power sliding rear window. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.